Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and in this one we are going to be learning how you can change your nickname on GTA 5. So for that particular reason you're going to be simply heading over to your Rockstar club, and there you are going to be needing to simply head over to settings. So make sure that you first log in into social club, and once you're logged in you are going to be simply heading over to your profile at the top right side of your screen. And once you're on your profile, from there simply head over to settings. So you can see you have settings in here, and now you can see we have our nickname in here, and we have this option to edit. Simply click on edit, and now we can simply choose anything that we want, but we also have to enter our password. So make sure that you remember that. Once you change your let's say I want to change it something to something like this, and I have to enter my password. So let's enter my password and save our changes. Click on save and just wait for a couple of seconds, and it's saying that you may only change your nickname once every 365 days. That means one complete year you will not be able to change your nickname. So press on confirm, and you can see this is saying the nickname is already taken, but you got the point, right? You can simply choose anything that you want and put it in here, and your nickname will be changed to that particular name that you want to change. But the thing that should be kept in mind is that it allows only to change once in a year. So that's the point. I really hope you understood the concept and found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with friends. Thanks so much for watching, and see you around in the next video.